Hi, this is the story of construction machines from dirt to dreams with Senti Toys. Every great city, every road, every building you see started with nothing, just land and a dream. And then the heroes arrived, the dumper truck. This is the dumper truck, the carrier of strength, moving mountains of soil. The mobile cranes, lifting the impossible, turning dreams into reality. Fire engine, the fire engine always ready, protecting lives even before the city is built. Here comes the water tanker bringing life, controlling dust, and feeding the land. Then comes concrete mixer. The concrete mixer blending the future, one rotation at a time. The garbage truck, keeping the environment clean even during chaos. The lifter, small but powerful, carrying the weight of progress. And then the magic began. Dumper trucks cleared the land. Water tankers settled the dust. Concrete mixers created strong foundations. Cranes lifted heavy beams into the sky. Lifters arranged materials with precision. Garbage trucks kept the site clean and safe. Together, they did not just build structures, they built a future. But every journey has challenges, a sudden spark of fire risk. And that's when the fire engine became the hero. Quick, brave, unstoppable. Days passed, work continued, and slowly a dream turned into reality. Roads were ready, buildings stood tall, and life began. Behind every city there are machines, and behind every machine there are ideas. Maybe the next big city will be built by you. Play, learn, build. Because every small toy creates a big dream.